Unplug the refrigerator or turn off the circuit breaker to disconnect power. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Find the drain tube, located near the compressor. At the top of the drain tube, loosen the clamp and disconnect the tube by pulling it downward. At the bottom of the drain tube, slightly loosen the screw on the clamp to release the tube. Insert the new drain tube into the bottom clamp. With the clamp already on top of the tube, insert the tube into the opening and tighten the top clamp. Tighten the screw on the bottom clamp using a right angle adapter if necessary. Attach the back panel by screwing it back into place. And then reconnect wiring to restore power to the refrigerator.